Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact LCD model and having replacement parts. This prevents mismatches. Once done, power off and remove the band so you can access seams cleanly. Make sure to work on an ESD-safe mat and use a 0.5 mm pry tool to feel for clip points. Use a small heat source at about 50-60 degrees C to soften adhesive. That helps the glue release and reduces risk of cracking. Keep pressure even and lift incrementally so you don't pop internal connectors. You now isolate power and connectors. Disconnect the battery or main connector first because live circuits risk shorts. Then identify the LCD flex and digitizer cables. Use plastic tools to open ZIF sockets and note each cable orientation for reassembly. Once connectors are free, carefully peel the digitizer away from the frame. Apply low heat if adhesive persists. Take your time so internal clips and the metal midframe remain intact. Preserving the frame ensures the new LCD will seat flat. You position the replacement LCD into the frame, aligning clips and guide pins precisely so there's no stress on the flex cables. Reconnect the flex cables into their ZIF sockets and reconnect the battery. Once powered, test the display and touch response before sealing. If all is well, remove protective films, apply new adhesive strips, and press the back cover evenly. Clamp lightly for a few minutes to set. If the screen flickers or touch fails, check cable seating and receipt connectors. That single loose cable causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.